Imagine walking into a space that instantly smells like a luxury hotel. That's exactly what a hotel collection scent diffuser is built to do. But if you've just got one and aren't sure how to actually use it, it can feel a bit confusing at first. This isn't your typical oil diffuser. It works on a more controlled system that releases fragrance in timed intervals, which means setup and usage matter a lot. If you skip a step or don't adjust the settings properly, you might barely notice the scent at all. The good part is, once you understand how it runs, it becomes completely effortless. Let's walk through it step by step so you get the full experience right away. Try these. Insert the fragrance bottle securely into the unit. 2. Plug the diffuser into a power source and switch it on. 3. Use the control panel to set intensity and timing preferences. 4. Place the diffuser in an open area for better scent distribution. 5. Let the unit run for a few minutes to begin dispersing fragrance. 6. Adjust settings as needed based on room size and scent strength.